Hello. Happy Tuesday. I'm so excited. Can you tell what my favorite color is? I know it's 9 a.m. on a Tuesday, and a lot of people might not be able to catch this live, but I wanted to hop on here and do it live just in case. And so you can watch the replay, of course. My sorting hat warmer is here. I'm so excited, but I've been waiting to unbox it because I wanted to go live and do it. This is by far one of my favorite warmers ever. We got to see it at SFR this summer. What does it say? Oh, it's quoting the sorting hat. Not only is this a Harry Potter sorting hat, but it has an extra special detail because the voice of this warmer is the audio from the original movie. And that just makes me giddy inside. I just gotta figure out where I'm putting it. Like, I currently have a Harry Potter coffee bar. I did a Christmas at Hogwarts coffee bar. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it there. Hello, good morning. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, I mean, even if I just laid this out, like, this is perfect. This is the lid. Y'all know how much I'm a Potterhead. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's made out of ceramic. The detail, though, I just... And so here's the base. This is the base. And so it's an element warmer. So whenever you put the lid on, it's going to look like this. And I'm going to plug it up so you can see. It has a button on the back because when you click the button, it randomly sorts you into your house. So, of course, we are going to have to be sorted today. And if y'all are watching live, we can take turns sorting, y'all. I'm trying to look at the wattage because I always get asked this question. 120 volts, 60 hertz, it's a 9 wattage element warmer. So who wants to be sorted? I have a few of you on right now, and somebody raise your hand if you want to be sorted until your Hogwarts house. Let's see. I'm trying not to pull this off and shatter it. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna have to turn it on. Okay. So when you turn it on, should I turn off the lights? Yeah, I should. Let's just turn off the lights. Not gonna do much because I'm right here at a window in my office. But let me see. I'll close the blinds. Get it all dark and cozy in here. Comment down below if you want to be sorted. So when you just have it on, it's going to give off a white light. Here, let me do this. How do I flip my camera? Okay. Turn off the flash. Where's the flash? I feel like every time I figure out Facebook Live, they change it. So just being on, you see, it's just a white light on the bottom. So it's on right now. That means it's going to start heating up. So we're not going to touch it. Let's see. Kelly, you want to be sorted? Yay! I checked for the comments on my computer because the comments nothing's popping up on my phone. Okay, so Kelly, you want to be sorted into your Hogwarts house? Let's just put the hat on you. I'm having too much fun. I'm going to press the button.
Brave at heart, daring, better be Gryffindor.
Congratulations, we're in the same house. I love it. And so it'll stay. I wonder how long it'll stay. Oh, okay. So then it goes back to the white lot. I'm going to sort myself too. I am a Gryffindor, but I am very... I call myself a Griffin Huff, or a Griffin Puff, because for a while I thought I was a Hufflepuff, and I truly am a Hufflepuff. But I'm truly, truly, truly deep in my soul a Gryffindor, which y'all know, Hufflepuff and Gryffindor, I mean, they really work, like, together. Like, they're really similar. So it really just depends on the day. But we can't be so witched in Hogwarts houses. So I'm a Gryffindor. On my relaxed days, I'm a Hufflepuff. On the other days, I'm a Gryffindor. So, but here is me.
Ah, yes, a ready mind. You belong in Ravenclaw.
I love it. It's loud. I was curious how loud it was going to be. But I love it.
Just and loyal. True. Yes, clearly Hufflepuff.
I love it. Okay, last one I'm guessing is going to be...
Cunning. Shrewd. Let's see. Slytherin.
Okay, so that's all of them. And that's all the audio from the movie. I'm curious to see. So it's supposed to be random, but I'm wondering if it's like a...
Ah, yes, a ready mind.
Yeah, it is random.
Belong in Ravenclaw.
So it did all four, and then it's not like a pattern. So it didn't go back to Gryffindor first. So it truly is random.
Daring, better be Gryffindor.
This makes me happy.
Ah, yes, a ready mind. You
Oh.
belong in Ravenclaw.
Apparently this thing wants me to be in Ravenclaw, but I just don't know. I don't feel like I'm a Ravenclaw.
Just and loyal.
Oh.
True. Yes, clearly Hufflepuff.
If you're wondering, here's the back. So this is where like the scent throw is going to come out of.
Cunning. Shrewd. Let's see.
Slytherin.
Slytherin.
Sweet. Well, she is available. Well, he. I don't know why I'm calling it a she. It's available. Ugh. I actually am warming my Hogwarts house right now. The Hogwarts house waxes are back with the warmer. I love the Gryffindor one, but Brandon does not. So I only warm it whenever I'm alone. But I also really like the Hufflepuff. The Slytherin is really nice. This one is a fresh, like woodsy, outdoorsy scent. And then out of the Hogwarts house waxes, this one is actually my favorite. The Wit and Wisdom from Ravenclaw. This one is a freaking it's so good whenever it's warmed. Like, you just have to warm it. It's like manly and leathery and clean. But that is it. Thank you for unboxing with me. Now I'm going to go find somewhere to put it.